Hi friends and welcome to Passion Talks. I'm your friend and I'm your host, the one and only Sunny Agarwal. Welcome to my show, Passion Talk, powered by Dishti Prabha Fashion Magazine and Lakme Academy, Malad. Studio partner, My Dream Studio, Andheri West. Today I'm having very beautiful and gorgeous Sneha Neoni. She's a security officer at cruise ship and a model too. Welcome Sneha Neonis to my show, Passion Talks.
Thank you, Sunny Agarwal, for inviting me here and giving me chance, Drishti Prabha Magazine, for sharing my life experience on this platform.
Snail, can you start telling us a bit about your background and what inspired you to pursue such a diverse career?
Thank you, Sunny. I was working as a security officer in Macau. Then I started working in cruise ship from last 3 contracts, and now I'm trying for modeling because it's my passion to work here.
You have traveled all over the world and worked many different places. So which destination was your favorite and why?
As if I have spent 10 years in Macau. I like the food. There are different types of food and different types of people there.
So what motivated you to take up a role as a security officer on cruise ship, a position that is quite challenging, unique, especially for women?
For me, it was like as if I have got a strong personality, and it was very responsible role to take care of the incidents and all the wrong things taking place. So it's a very challenging post for me.
Can you share some memorable experience or funny incident happened while working in a cruise ship?
As I was working on my duty, and my chief security asked me to do something else, and I did somewhere else. It was very funny thing which we were talking on the radio, and we all were very enjoying that moment because it was a wrong communication between us.
Challenges and overcoming them. In a male-dominating field, what were some of the thoughts, challenges you faced and how you overcome from them?
In this challenging world, all male think that women are still down to them. They cannot do the work as compared to men. So always they are complaining, oh, why you are doing this work? You are not supposed to be here. You are supposed to take care of your kids, your family. So it's like very challenging for us that we have to accept it, that we can do anything. If we think that we are very strong personality, we can do anything in this world.
So how do you maintain such a positive attitude and a beautiful smile despite facing numerous obstacles?
Bad incident take place. It doesn't mean that your life is finished. You have to be very strong because this is a small time which has come, and you have to show that you can overcome all the challenges. That's why you have to take on the challenges, whether it's good or bad. Life goes on.
Transformation from security officer to a model, quite a leap. What was the translation like for you?
For me, I really was not just happy as a security officer. I just wanted to do something else in the life. It was a passion that I wanted to do, and I found this in the modeling. So I just tried my best to to do it as my passion.
So what is your first beauty pageant experience and amazing behind the scenes stories? Can you share to our audience?
As my friend Jeet, he motivated me for this. He introduced me to a director, and he said that she has got strong personality, and I think she should try for this. So when I went there, I was so happy to take the challenges because it was like traditional and western bound, and it was something a very unique experience in modeling. So I was very happy to accept that challenge.
Support and mentorship. You mentioned Sunny Agarwal is a significant mentor in your modeling career, and how he has supported you, influenced your journey.
Good question. Sunny Agarwal is very a down-to-earth person. When I saw him, I was not really, I never knew him that he is a producer and actor because he is very down-to-earth. When I got close to him, he introduced me in various competitions, and he motivates me always, as if he motivates me in this interview also. So he's a very nice mentor for me.
If you could give a shout out to anyone else who has supported you, who would it and why?
My parents, first thing. Second thing, we'll go for the Sunny Agarwal because this field is very different from my field and it's very challenging for me.
Personal and fun questions. If you weren't into modeling or security field, what other career do you have think you would have pursued?
I would like to work as an air hostess.
What is the most various fashion trends you have ever tried, and do you have any hilarious fashion fails?
Sorry for this question. I don't have answer because I never got time for all this fashion trends. As I am working in the security department, so I never got this chance.
If you could switch lives with any celebrity for a day, what would it be and why?
It would be Sushmita Sen because she has very positive attitude and she is also very smiling face and very charming personality.
What is the most usual thing you keep in your bag? Handbag.
As first thing, I like to keep pouch in my bag to spend some money and some makeup things. Nothing else.
What's your quality pleasure when it comes to food, especially when you are not on the strict diet for a pageant?
Chicken kebab, chicken momos, everything goes for chicken.
Lovely answer. I feel you love chicken a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll start with future inspirations. Your journey towards Miss Universe has already begun. What are some of the key steps you have taken to prepare for this competition?
First thing, I would like to tell you that this, again I am saying the same thing, this field is very different. For that I need to be very strong to face these two different fields which is very opposite to each other. I need to learn everything. I need to be very passionate about this field.
What message do you have to give to young women who looks up and inspire and follow in your footsteps?
I would like each and every woman to be educate themselves, educate the world, and second thing, they have to be learning the self-defense for themselves to protect from this world.
Finally, what are your top 3 pieces of advice for women striving to succeed in male-dominating industry?
Stay strong, stay firm in your decisions, and never depend on anyone for anything.
Can you share what is your personal mantra or point that keeps you motivated?
I feel like I am a very strong personality. I can do everything and anything if I think in my mind or in my heart. I don't need anyone to take support of them or be lean on them for anything.
So thank you, Snehal Neonis, for being on my show. And Snehal Neonis has shared a memorable experience, a journey in fashion industry and cruise ship industry. Snehal Neonis is an inspiration for women empowerment. And thank you, Snehal Neonis.
Thank you, Sunny, for giving me chance and inviting me on this platform.
Thank you so much.